Oh wait, yo, we are not doing a video of the Marquee, even though I am playing it right now. But we aren't actually doing a video of, well, you know who that is. We aren't doing a video of the Marquee or Ava Tech Observatory. What we are actually doing a video of is this machine. The test only applies to the BPWM09W washing machines made by Black+Decker 0.9 cubic foot washers. If your model is like this one, this test will not work. But if your model is like this one, this test will work. To put this style machine in diagnostic mode, there's two ways. You program and spin without the power. Oh. You hit spin and program without the power. You can just test out all the LEDs on it. And then the other one is you have to have it on for this one. So you hit power, same two buttons, and for this particular model, it is I don't know what year model, might be like a 2023. Well, there's, you know who that is. Well, this applies to like 2022 to like 2018 models. You push program, and you can cycle through different tests. Test A is the spin test. This will spin the tub at max speed. Test B is just tests out your display. Test C just displays UF on the display, and you can't do anything. Test D basically it shuts off your display, and I have no clue what this mode is. Test E is your agitation test, low agitation. Test 9 is high agitation. Test F will test out the components, like the agitation and 4 RPM spin. So here it goes. Basically, this is what test F is. It's not basically nothing. Test N is the same thing, I think. I think it's the same thing. I believe it is the same. This is test FT on this. This spins the tub all the way up, just like the other one. Test H, just basically. Well, this is what it is. It agitates. This might be like calibration. You drain test. There's D on this display. I don't know what test H does, but it just does something. LT is basically nothing. It just shows you your LEDs. Let's get out of it and into it again. DT is just, I have no idea what this is. ST, I know this will work. Just shows you like 50. That's it. AT is just with zeros on it. Test 2 is E or there's no error codes on this machine. Test 3 is like a display test. Test 4 does nothing. Test 5 displays 5 and a couple others. Test 6 turn off the display and it says 10 on it. Test 7 just says like random numbers and stuff. Test 8 is a spin test. This ramps it up to 4 p.m. I think without a drain pump, I don't know. Canceling test 8 and test 9, you already know what that is. It's high agitation mode. Test 1, no clue what it is. It might. I think I just exited it. That's how you like display things. And after you exit out, it just looks like normal. But yeah, that'll be it. And we'll pass my Mayan Marquee video by now. Let me just show you what. Testing as well agitation mode. FT just basically tests out all your components. basically you can just test out some components and see. You already know. Now this is like your display test. After you shut it off, turn it back on. E2 pops up. Then view. Yeah, it was. Gotta scroll through this. Find the error codes mode. Error. Yeah, see this? Lists all your error codes that are in the machine. Just kind of lean on. And yeah, that will be it. Hope you all enjoyed.